You are going to want to skip the store-bought English muffins because have I got a quick, easy, and delicious recipe for you. These are English muffins made right at home, but 10 times better. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you how I made these, and they come out so good, so delicious. You're going to want to make them all the time. Let's start by doing our yeast mixture. For that, you need some warm milk, some yeast, some sugar. Give that a mix, and you're gonna let that sit for 10 minutes until it activates. Once it looks all nice and pretty like that, this is done. I'm gonna do this in my stand mixer, but you can do this totally by hand, adding flour, some salt, some melted butter. Give that a quick mix, then add in all the yeast mixture using the dough hook. Just mix it. You don't need to mix it for a long time. I'm going to say just about 5 minutes. And it's going to be slightly sticky. That's what you're looking for to get some nice pillowy English muffins. Remove, and then I'm just going to set it on my surface. This doesn't need to be kneaded more than 3 minutes. So just knead it for about 3 minutes. Form into a ball. Grease your bowl. I'm just using some olive oil. Place your dough ball in there. I'm going to just cover this with some saran wrap. And then I'm going to set this aside and let this rise for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is looking nice and risen. Now I'm just going to dump it onto my surface. Roll this out to be about 1 inch in thickness. I'm going to dust the top with some flour just so it'll be easier to cut. I'm using my biscuit cutter, but you can use a cookie cutter too, or just a glass if you don't have anything like that. Cut these out. The rest of that dough, you're going to repurpose it and make some more. This is what it should look like. I'm going to add some cornmeal and then just dropping these on there. We're going to cover these, and these are going to rise again. Let these rise for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, these are done. They already look so nice. I'm using my cast iron pan for this, adding some cornmeal. I have my heat on a medium-low, dropping those down there. You're going to wait about 7 minutes, flip, and then you're going to do 5 minutes. Your English muffins should have this color. Then just remove it, and I'm going to start doing the other ones. This one came out nice and puffy. Look at that. I love the way this one looks. I'm done cooking all of them. See how easy it is? Nice, pillowy. You want to open these up with a fork. Do not use a knife. If you want all those nooks and crannies, then do a fork. So you're just going to poke it with a fork, go all the way around, and that is super easy to open an English muffin. It's nice and hot, and these taste so good. Swear they taste so much better than store-bought. You're going to want to save this recipe because this is the recipe for you. Enjoy.